Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about multiply by 4. Okay, let's remember together when I say multiply. So, if I say here any number multiply 1, when I say here, for example, 2 multiply 1 gives me what? Gives me 2, the same number. So any number multiplied by 1 gives me the same number. 1 here is called the mirror. 1 here is called the mirror. So if you look at the mirror, you can see only yourself, right? Okay. So we have here 0. 0 multiplied by any number gives me 0. So it's here called the bomb. So if we multiply 0 by any number gives me 0. Okay, so we have here the concept of multiplication. If I say here 2 multiply 3, look at the greater number. Which is the greater, 2 or 3? 3, yes. So 3 here is repeated how many times? How many times? 2 times is repeated 2 times. So I can say, in other words, we have here 3 plus 3. It's the same as 2 multiply 3. Okay? And we can say, if we say here 2 is repeated how many times? 3 times. I can say 2 plus 2 plus 2. So today we're gonna talk about how to multiply by 4. Let's see together. If I have here a car transport, okay, a car transport here, how many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. Each car has how many wheel in each car of daddy's car? How many wheel? We have 4 wheels in the car. If we draw a very funny car like this, we have here a 4. We have 4 wheels in just one car. So if we draw 5 cars, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have here 16. So when I say, guys, I have here, if we have here 4 cars, 4 multiply 4 equals 16. What about this? We have here 5 cars. So after 16, we have extra 4 wheels. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when I say 4 multiply 5, it's equal to 20. So I can know by doing so. I can say here, guys, 4 multiply 5. It's 5 repeated how many times? 4 times. So I can draw 4 here, 4 circles. In each circle, how many? How many here? Parts? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can count all the circles here or dots inside. After counting them, they give me 20. Okay? Okay. So here, as I told you now, we have here a one way is by repeated addition. So we can say 5 multiply 4. It's what? It's 4 repeated how many times? 5 times. So I can say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, then plus 4. How many times? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. And we can do it by the skip count. Okay, we have another way, okay, guys, that I told you how to write them inside circles and count what inside circles. So we have here a question. He asks me in this problem, there are 4 bunches of bananas. Each bunch has 3 bananas. How many bananas in all? How many bunches, guys? Okay, how many bunches? 4. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas in each bunch? 3. So I've got here 1, 2, 3 bananas. We have here 3 bananas. And here 1, 2, 3. Another 3 here. We can draw to solve problem. Of course we can do so. And here 3 also bananas. So how many bananas do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total bananas here, yes, the total is 12 bananas. Okay, I can do it by another thing. We have 4 bunches and we have in each, the word each here refers to the multiply. The word each refers to the multiply. So 4 multiplies what? Multiplies 3, gives me the total number of the banana. Okay. I have here another thing. A box. A box has 4 rows of oranges. Okay, we have here a box. 4 rows of oranges. And what else? Each row has 9 oranges. Okay, we have here 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so each row has 9 oranges. So we have here 9 oranges inside. Okay, how many oranges are in the box? Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do, I will have here what? I will have here the 4. Okay, put it here. I will have here the 4 and the 9. Take 9 multiplies 4. How can I solve this? Look at the greater number which is, or the bigger number which is 9. And tell yourself 9 here is repeated how many times? 4 times. So I can say 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. In other words, I can draw here 4 circles, big circles. Inside, I can draw how many in each? In each, remember word each. I have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And count all the dots inside. Okay, so it will give you what? It will give you 36 after counting all the dots. So the answer is 36. What about here? Let's multiply together, guys. If I say 4 multiplies 4, we can write it under each other like the adding, right, and subtracting 2. So 4 repeated 4 times. Let's do it by this way. It's very easy. We have 4 big circles. Inside each one 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in each one. And then count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Okay, easy? I think so. What about 4 times 2? Remember, we have taken 2 multiply 4 before. It's the same as 4 times 2. So when we change the positions of the here of the products, okay, if we change here the positions of the numbers here in the multiplication, it's the same. Yes, it's the same like the plus. Can I say here 2 plus 5? It's the same as 5 plus 2. We know that. Also here in the multiplication, the same, right? So we have taken before 2 multiply 4. Here it's what? 2 multiply 4. It's, can you remember? Yes, it's 8. So 4 multiplies 2, the same is 8. Remember, my dear students, if I say here 4 multiplies to 4, the greater number repeated 2 times. So I have got here 2 circles, big circles, and inside them, how many in each? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then add them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's an easy way. I hope you understood the lesson. If you have any question, please send us on Google Classroom. Bye bye, my dear students.